Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Influencity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Influencity, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to be redirected to the registration page. You will see a form requiring your email address. Enter a valid email address that you have access to. Next, create a secure password for your account. Make sure your password meets the required security criteria. After filling in your email and password, look for any required checkboxes. These may include agreeing to the terms of service or privacy policy. Once you've checked the necessary boxes, click on the Register or Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open your email inbox and find the email from Influencity. Click on the confirmation link provided in that email. This link will redirect you back to the Influencity website. Here, you may be asked to complete your profile. Fill in the required fields such as your name, username, and any other necessary details. If prompted, upload a profile picture to personalize your account. Once all required information is filled in, click on the Save or Continue button. You may be asked to verify your identity or account information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any verification steps. After successfully verifying your account, you can start using Influencity. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features and tools. Now you are all set to begin your journey with Influencity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.